Так, Гулсунда көрөсөм эмне кылыш керек? Гулсунда бизге эмнени айтат болот экен?
We get warm and we wait. When the storm breaks, we move. But we're safe here. Warm enough.
Булон дейт. Мистер Бирсон дейт. Мен айткан турбузга.
Morning. Morning, Arthur.
Ачында турбай.
Up with you boys because I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, and you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess folks miss them. That fell. But when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Party. Probably. That funny, huh? Sure. I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Como Driscoll's needing punching hard. You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
Are you sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Como Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No,
Жаналарга
you're just
барат
doubting
кой
me.
поезддегилерге.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You
Засада кылат экенбиз
always
кажется.
said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and detonators here. Colm always had good information. Come on.
And you think now is the right time to hit a train?
Кана мен жана
Now you
атымды.
might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah! Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yeah. He said follow the main trail southwest. They're camped near some lake.
Okay, let's go find these bastards before they find us and rob this score they're planning.
Жана кишилердин айтып аткан биринчи жакты барып тыңдап белек биз. Ошол жактын айтып аткан эмесин айтып барабыз да, жана поездди засада кылабыз деген точкасынач. Ошол жерден чогуу засада башlayын деп атат. Оппана.
What's that? Tracks. Horses, quite a few of them.
Бирөө. Так, belirtildi. Biri,
As far as I can tell, the only fools out here are us and them. They must be this way.
Bizde biri,
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my ideas recently, but this is the right move.
Okay. You know I got your back.
I learned a long time ago that you hit Como Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love will die.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another.
It will be.
Some things I can forgive, others I can forget. What he did to Hannibal, I can't do neither.
You killed his brother, Dutch.
Yes, I did. And I hope the bastards will be reunited soon enough. That's how this'll end.
Damn right, boss.
See that smoke? Let's cut up here and take a
Smoke,
look.
that's
They
it.
said it was near the lake, so we must be close.
Açık koy.
Hold up here.
Şuradan toktay toplayıp.
All right, gentlemen.
Троллеп аттым мен.
This is it. Are
Yeah,
we
I think
goddamn ready?
Ready, Dutch.
Good.
Даярсың
Now,
бö дейт. Даярсыз.
Morgan and
Даярбыз.
I-
Мен да даярмын.
We're gonna head up here a little, see if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr. Williamson, Mr. Bell,
Так,
you two
біз мен
take up a hidden
аппарат
position just
ашып,
outside the camp.
Дигилерге айтып,
Mr. Summers,
крестный
Mr.
карап
Squilla.
алып отыр.
you two hold position here. Let's go.
Так, бирөө, жакта экөө,
There they are.
үчөө,
That's definitely them.
төртөө, бешөө,
Home?
I think
алтоо,
so.
жетөө,
Yeah,
сегиз
that's
болуп кетти
him.
го. 9 Олар башка кишилер окшойт походу. Үстүнө важактар го дейм ушу, үчөө атта отургандар что-то башкача отуруп.
Who's he talking to? He don't seem very happy.
No.
They leaving?
Бирдекен
Seem
тромиске
to
салган
be.
го дейм
Should we
бакча.
go get him?
No. Colin can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. All right, let's go pay our old friends a visit.
Конечно.
Don't forget to grab that
Мен де иштеп
rifle
жүрмүн.
from your horse.
Атка илип
You
коттан.
boys be ready to
Атка
pick them
илип
off from
котту
up
кой
there.
буч.
You got it, Dutch.
Атка барабыз, тапты барабыз. Бияктан эни бассак. Көч мынтык калып калды.
Good.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Кеттик анда.
We'll circle around the far side and go down that way, same as Micah and Bill. Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Yeah, just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Arthur. Arthur, have you completely lost faith in me? Our needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including Combe, can wait.
Okay.
Короче, булар биз
There's enough of
становимся
those
да.
bastards down there to deal with as it is. Now, come on.
Либо они выживут, либо мы выживем. Дегенде, короче. Биз жашайбыз, алар жашайт депчи. Аптасым не отады. Шуны кетпей турайынчы. Мактан учуп кетпейлі.
It's steep here. Careful.
Мактан учуп кетеличи. О, коең.
Damn, that hurt.
Башым закрыды. Чонка не лагерь.
Maybe I should take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No,
Ничего не
but the way our
Сен
luck's been
биринчи, мен
running,
биринчи барбаймын, сени алар астын өлтүрүп ыйлап турса. Алар колунан эчтеке келбейт.
Follow me. Let's head for that building in front.
Не uygun келет? Жолсыз. Короче, конкретно кыласыз молодец.
Stay low. Come on.
Кайсын алар айтып болочу. Обычный дейт.
Follow me.
Ой, таң меники турбай.
Get in cover, Arthur.
so, what are we doing, Dutch? I can take this if you want.
just make the call. You want to take the lead? Go.
Решай, что ты хочешь, ты.
We have to move on this right now. Okay, I'll go first.
We are ready to roll. How soon? When they give the word. Next couple days, I think.
Место.
You sons of bitches!
You're hiding under that building.
Место.
Put some fire behind me! Everyone, push up!
Стерга, мандалина. Чик, так не работает. Стерга.
You don't know who you're dealing with.
Здесь. Это будет, это.
Look out! We got more of those cabins to the right!
Little shot. Это да, такой молот.
Still got some of those cabins!
Ну, ты дойдешь? Ну, я хочу попробовать. Өлбейсің бе?
Push up on!
Это біледі, да, как? Бычақпен өлтірелі, давайте. Место. Қандай екен? Қайда жүрді?
Come on, coward, let's go.
Stay with Arthur!
I don't like fighting, but I'm good at it.
Сай. Место. Ассасин был.
That's all of them! Search the bodies! Strip everything we can from them!
Не
You
отказывай.
recognize any of them, Dutch? Of course not. Colm doesn't give a damn about his men. All he
Вот,
cares
он
about
шпекта.
is numbers. If you can shoot a gun and ride a horse and kill without thought, you're in. Think how long
Oh,
some of you
$100
have been
baktım.
with me. I imagine Colm doesn't even
Birinci
have
$1
the names
taptık.
of these.
$2 taptık. Konuşturmayı işte gerçekten. $4 taptık.
Oh, shit!
Опа.
Look out! More of the bastards coming out of the trees!
Atçırlısı öldürüleç. Ben özüm dolem öldük koyayım. Что-то речь пятся же öldürüyor.
Shit, there's a lot of them! What do you think, Arthur? Do we hold ground here or go after them?
Cold ODs. Have a boulder.
Bana geliş.
All right! Pick them off as they come out of the trees! What are you doing? They're hiding in the trees!
Kimin bilmiyoruz size? Kimin bilmiyoruz?
I got more grit in the heel.
Опа. Başka. Şol, içerik attılar yine. Tap toast it.
The cowards are running away!
Тоной все до конца тоной становится. Парнал потом.
Back to the camp. We'll get what we need. Clear out. Arthur, get over here.
Иди сюда, доктор. Базай меня, ну, тоной базай. Birde turutpay.
We don't have time to mess around.
Бар, вакыт бар азыр, могу тонель.
We're waiting on you, Arthur.
Күтүп тур lan, не алайын. Аз сон нерсе калат.
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left. All right, man, quick. Find those detonators, explosives, anything you can. Let's go.
Максимальное количество данных. Начать. Опа, там я кинулся вот. Чей ховелю? Как-то там які? Çok takın. Sigaret.
Here. This looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Hoppa.
Looks fine. Smells good.
Come on.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. A Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up. Let's keep moving. All right, let's get out of here. Proud of you boys. All of you.
Üstüne arkaya tutmasın galiba.
Good work, fellers.
Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like, but we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas. Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I believe, I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them. Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater. That won't happen again. All right, dig in, fellas. Let's make some ground.
О, ортодогу ат машина экен, а? Мустам.
Hey, you see that fella? Wasn't he at the camp with Colm?
Не дейт?
Leave him to me.
Да, бирок
All
ачып кеткен
right,
турбайбы.
we're
Кана,
heading back.
аты тиги
Just
окшойт.
bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Okay, you got it.
Да.
Yeah!
Токто дейм мен сага. Токтодо там.
Leave me alone!
Токтодо там мен сага, Токтодо нугазыңбы?
Shit! No! Don't hurt me!
Токточу ат
Please
дейм.
don't kill me, please! Look, I give up!
А мне токтой атсың. Мне токтой атсың. Кандай экен? Кандай экен токтоо?
You're coming with me.
I'm no use to you, really.
Сначала аграгин.
This is very kind of you.
Come on, I'm
Байк
nobody, mister.
серебряный.
Oh, God, no.
Comfortable enough for you? What's your name, boy?
I don't know.
Я не
You
знаю.
don't know your name?
It's Kieran.
Kieran what?
Duffy. Kieran Duffy.
Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Where are you taking me?
Somewhere you ain't gonna like.
Why? What are you gonna do to me?
Something you ain't gonna like. So I'd
Мучиться
advise
не
you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please. Don't do this, please. I'm no use to you.
장
Better
잡지.
shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you.
Шүлтүр аягын жоктоган жеңилден
Oh, I think I'm gonna puke. I've only been running with them a couple of months. Have a heart, mister.
Are you trying to test me? Is that it? Because I will break every bone in your body.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay?
Not one more
Слёва,
goddamn word. Am I clear?
Okay. Okay.
That's 2 bones right there.
Лагерге келип калдык.
Here we are, you sack of shit. Let's introduce you to the boys.
Анан өкүт.
Don't hurt me, please.
Oh, don't worry.
Кошко
They're real nice.
Found a little shit, did you?
Yep. I got him.
Very good. Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh, no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend.
У меня есть
We shoot
поворот,
fellas
мы
as need
стреляем
shooting.
в тех,
Save fellas as need saving, and feed them as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it! An O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister! I hate that fella!
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Cole.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
Тигилер аграп жете турган поезд биз аграп жете деген чыгады.